Hey guys, Umbreon4ever here. Happy Halloween, but I'm really sorry I couldn't do anything special for Halloween. Like, I was gonna do a creepypasta, but unfortunately I wasn't able to record that in time. So then I thought, hey, I could do a speed paint. But then I remembered I always run out of disk space. Well, you're seeing part of it now, and I guess I can open up the rest of this speed paint so you can see what the rest of it looked like. If you want, you could watch it, but you don't get to watch the entire process. You just get to watch me get to Dan's shirt, and then that's when I stopped the recording to look at something. Then I ran out of disk space when I tried to import the second one after that. In the future, I might upload like a part 2, but even when this gets uploaded, it's going to be kind of a lower quality because it's a little bit, let's say, yesterday I tried to export it so that I could just kind of maybe import it back to iMovie and then just add that in and delete all the other files I didn't need. But unfortunately, I noticed it was really blurry, so I went ahead and deleted that. Then I tried deleting not a lot, but some of my files, and that kind of worked, but at the same time it didn't really work. I deleted just a lot of unnecessary files, but it still didn't really work because some of them won't delete, and I still don't have enough room for these apparent massive files that don't want to go away. That don't want to import to iMovie. And so yeah, if you'd like, you can watch this even though you don't get to see the rest of the process that I'm going to be doing. But I hope you enjoy what you can watch, and if you actually listen to my voice, then thank you, I guess, for listening to this. I don't know, but I'll add some music in right now.
Calling all the monsters, calling all the monsters, calling all the monsters. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, hard thumbs and you jump, coming down with gold bombs. You dare to go there? I'ma get you so scared. We're haunting to, we're wanting to. You stayed in too late to be getting afraid. This scene's extreme. I'ma get you so scared. We're haunting to, we're wanting to. Get your body shaking, wishing you could just awake. Here we go. Fire.
Okay, guys, so that's where I stopped that recording. I find it kind of unfair that you don't get to see me work on both characters. And yes, I know I started with already the outline done, but that would have taken way too long and I wouldn't have even gotten this far before my disk space would have run out. So I'm just going to say that I'll try to upload a second part to this eventually, and it'll work out, I hope. I'm pretty sure it will. But just don't be mad that I couldn't get that uploaded because it was not my fault. It was my computer's disk space. I deleted a bunch of files, but for some reason, I still ran out of room. But happy Halloween, everyone, and I hope I can get part 2 up. And thanks for watching. Bye!